Yamuna Tira Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Bol Hari Bol
Hare Hare, Hare
Prabhupada ki jai. Ananta Koti Vaishnavanda ki jai. Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki
Jai.
Om Adhyanatimidandasya Vinamdina Shalakaya Chakshurumilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Shri Chaitanya Manavishtam Stam Yena Bhutale Swayam Narpakadayam Dadati Swaradhantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuktapadakamlam Shri Guru Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagajatam Sahagana Raghunatam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Harijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Bharam Sahagana Lalitam Shri Vishakam Devam Nama Om Vishwapadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanande Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Sachatarishtarine Manchakalpatarubhyascha Kripasindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisha Gopika Kanta Radha Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hariye Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Gaur Premanande. So, yeah, you can take. Thank you. So, Joe-san,
早晨，
how do you say Happy Monday?
歡樂星期一，
Huh?
歡樂星期一，
Okay. I won't even try to imitate. They have expression in English, Blue Monday.
咁有個英文嘅講法就係悲傷的星期一。
You don't have that in Hong Kong, Blue Monday?
香港係咪悲傷嘅星期一？
No? No Blue Monday. Oh, that's good. That means you don't have...
Every day is blue in Hong Kong.
Every day is blue.
香港每一日都係好悲傷嘅。
Krishna, so what shall we talk about?
咁我哋今日講啲乜嘢好呢？
I heard something about Mayapur. We should talk
係
something.
咪想講下有關 Mayapur 咧？
Kunti Mataji has been in Mayapur.
咁有啲人已經去過 Mayapur，
Did you have a good time, Kunti?
開唔開心啊？喺 Mayapur
Follow you is happy.
Huh?
Follow you is happy.
跟住 Maharaj 就好開心。
Who else has been in Mayapur?
有邊個去過 Mayapur 啊？
Uh-huh. And Vishaka, you've never been in Mayapur?
Vishaka 冇去過，
Recently.
Huh?
I thought you said recently.
Not recently.
Oh.
Just, yeah.
唔係淨係指最近，總之去過。
Who has not been there who would like to go there?
有邊個未去過而又好想去嘅？
Good. Okay. So may Krishna fulfill your desire and may whatever visa problems are there become resolved.
咁希望 Krishna 滿足你嘅慾望啦。咁你去到 Mayapur 遇到嘅任何嘅問題咧，都可以迎刃而解。
簽證啊。
哦，如果有關簽證嘅問題咧，都可以係解決到嘅。
What happens now? Now is everybody happy?
咁而家每個人都好開心。
Okay. So Mayapur is the center area of a larger area called Navadvipa.
咁 Mayapur 咧就係 Navadvip 一個好大嘅地區嘅中心嚟嘅。
And Navadvipa means 9 islands.
咁 Navadvipa 咧嘅意思就係有9個島。
What's happening here? Okay. And there's a whole book that was written about Navadvip by our great teacher, our Acharya Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
咁 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 我哋偉大嘅導師啦，就寫咗一本書係關於Mayapur 嘅 Navadvip。
He wrote a book called Navadvip Mahatmya. Mahatmya means glorification.
咁本書咧就叫做 Navadvip Mahitma。咁 Mahitma 嘅意思咧就係
Mahatmya.
Mahatmya。咁嘅意思咧 ，Mahatma 嘅意思咧就係榮耀。
You may have heard the word Mahatma. Mahatma means great person, great soul.
Mahatma 嘅意思咧就係偉大嘅靈魂。
Mahatmya means glorification.
咁而 Mahatmya 咧就係榮耀。
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, we visited 2 places associated with Bhaktivinoda Thakur while we were there this time.
咁我哋去過探訪有關Bhaktivinoda Thakur 嘅地方嘅，咁呢次我哋都有去。
We went to Birnagar, which is south of Navadvip, between Calcutta and Navadvip, and it's the place where Bhaktivinoda Thakur was born.
咁我哋去過喺 Navadvip 嘅南部嘅，就係 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 出生嘅地方。
And now there's a temple there and various shrines.
咁而家嗰度咧就有一個廟嘅，有一個神廟喺度嘅。
And they have some of the original writings of Bhaktivinoda, handwritten Bengali, beautiful script.
咁喺嗰度咧係收藏咗一啲 Bhaktivinoda 嘅原創嘅手稿嘅，咁咧就用一啲好精美嘅梵文字雕上去。
I mention Bhaktivinoda because he's hugely important for our present-day tradition, because basically he was like a bridge. He bridged the earlier tradition to the modern times.
咁我描述有關 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 咧，因為佢係好重要嘅人物啊，佢就係將過去嘅傳統咧係同現代咧係撮合起嘅。
And the other place we visited associated with Bhaktivinoda Thakur was his house in Godruma Dvipa.
咁另外我哋探訪嘅地方咧就叫做 Godruma Dvipa。
One of the 9 islands of Navadvipa.
咁就係Navadvipa 嘅其中一個島。
And Godruma Dvipa is just across the river Jalangi.
咁 Godruma 呢個地方咧就啱啱係喺嗰條河 Jalangi 嘅對岸。
Jalangi. Yeah. And from his house, from the upstairs, from the balcony, Bhaktivinoda would look across to Mayapur, across the Jalangi. He would look over to Mayapur.
咁喺 Jalangi 呢個地方嘅一間房間咧 ，Bhaktivinoda Thakur 咧就喺樓上嘅陽台咧係可以對望到 Mayapur 呢個地方。
And he had a vision, and the vision was that there would be a great temple built there.
咁佢當時咧就有一個幻象啊，咁咧佢就係望到咧將來 Mayapur 嗰度咧係會有一個廟嘅。
And he writes about this in his book.
咁佢亦都咧喺佢嘅書度咧係描述有關呢一個事蹟嘅。
He's in the book, he's telling a kind of narrative where Lord Nityananda is giving a guided tour of Navadvip to Jiva Goswami.
咁喺本書咧佢就描述咗咧就係話Nityananda Prabhu 咧就帶住Jiva Goswami 咧帶佢去將喺呢個島度遊歷一番嘅。
And he tells how Nityananda Prabhu is anticipating that after Lord Chaitanya disappears, then the Ganga, the river Ganga, is going to rise up and is going to cover most of the land of Navadvip for 100 years.
咁 Nityananda Prabhu 咧亦都預期到咧，將Mahaprabhu 隱跡之後咧，嗰條恒河咧就會水位就會升啊，升到咧係將 Navadvip 咧係覆蓋住啊。
And after 100 years, the water will again go back down, and land will emerge, and then people will start building houses and temples in Navadvip and especially Mayapur.
咁頭先講個覆蓋咧係會覆蓋100年嘅，咁喺100年之後咧，呢啲水就會退嘅，呢啲退，咁然後咧 Navadvip 嘅地咧就會升翻上嚟，冒翻出地面啦，然後啲人咧就會喺呢個地方咧係建廟宇啊，然後重整呢個城市嘅。
And he says, one exceedingly wonderful temple will appear.
咁然後佢又描述到咧，有一座咧係極之咧係重要嘅廟宇咧係會出現。
From which Gauranga's eternal service will be preached everywhere.
咁喺嗰座廟宇咧 ，Gauranga 嘅永恆嘅僕人咧就會喺嗰度咧係傳教嘅。
Everywhere. That includes Hong Kong.
咁就會去到世界各地每一個地方傳教，包括香港。
So he's identifying this one temple as the center from which all the preaching will expand.
佢就特別指出咧，喺呢個廟宇裏邊咧係作為中心，咁由呢個中心咧嗰個傳教就會係即係發散到去世界各地。
And he goes on to mention that there's a special form of Maya, She's called Prodha Maya.
咁佢有描述到咧有一種好特別嘅幻錯覺啊，就係叫what is the name?
Prodha Maya.
Prodha Maya.
Yeah. And Vridha Shiva. Vridha means old.
咁亦都稱為 Rita Shiva。Rita 嘅意思就係好古老嘅。
Vridha. Yeah. Vridha. And so Nityananda Prabhu is saying that Prodha Maya and Vridha Shiva will come again, and they will perform their duties of revealing the spiritual Dhamma according to the Lord's desire.
咁就係講咧呢個Prodha Maya 同 Rita Shiva 咧就會重現啦，然後咧就用佢哋嘅形式咧係再將呢個聖地咧係展示出嚟。
So this is a kind of prediction, we could say.
咁可以講咧呢個就係當時嘅預言啦。
And now when you go to Mayapur, you'll see this very, very big temple coming up.
咁你如果而家去馬來普咧，你就會見到咧一間好大嘅廟宇咧係建成緊。
And construction is going on, and the hope now is that there will be an official opening in early 2027.
咁間廟宇仲繼續喺度興建緊嘅，咁希望咧就係2027年咧就可以正式咧係開放。
I'm looking for one thing. Okay. No, not there. Okay. Well, anyway, somewhere here, I thought I had it. It's mentioned that he makes a comparison between Vrindavan and Navadvip Mayapur.
咁跟住我哋咧就可以比較一下 Vrindavan 同埋Mayapur。
And he's talking about this episode. Nityananda Prabhu is talking about in Navadvip. Well, in Mayapur, there was trouble when Lord Chaitanya started the Sankirtan movement. The Chand Kazi. Kazi is like a local, we would say, sheriff.
咁北天都Thakur 繼續咧係描述咧，佢話馬來普呢個地方咧喺馬哈巴布成立呢個 Sankirtan 呢個運動嘅時候咧係會遇到一啲麻煩嘅。咁當時嘅Chand Kazi 咁咧就係當時嘅官員啦，即係當地嘅回教嘅官員嚟嘅。
So most of you may know the story of how he wanted to stop the Sankirtan, and Lord Chaitanya and his devotees organized a civil disobedience program.
咁我諗你哋都知道呢個故事㗎啦。咁當時Chand Kazi咧係想制止呢個 Sankirtan 運動啊。咁但係馬哈巴布咧就舉行咗一個非暴力嘅抗議行動啊。
And there was a kind of confrontation, but the way it's described by Krishnadas Kaviraj, it was a quite friendly conversation between Lord Chaitanya and the Kazi.
咁Kaviraj Das 都曾經描述過咧，初時係有啲對峙嘅雙方，咁但係咧後來咧雙方咧Chand Kazi 同埋馬哈巴布咧就有一個和平友好嘅對話。
but you could say what convinced the Qazi to give up his resistance to the Sankirtan. What convinced him was that he had an encounter with Lord Nrsingadev the night before.
咁點樣可以說服到 Chand Kasi 咧係結束呢一個對抗咧？就係關鍵咧，就係佢有一晚咧就係夢見咗 Lord Nrsingadev 嘅。
Who had warned him while scratching him on the back or the chest, warned him, you don't give trouble to these devotees or else.
咁 Lord Nrsingadev 喺夢中咧就警告佢啊，佢就話你唔好去麻煩我啲奉獻者喺呢個 Sankirtan 運動裏邊，否則咧我就會用我啲尖嘅手甲咧係挖開你個胸膛嘅。
Yeah, so he's explaining all of this to explain that those who have made some offense against Krishna, they will end up entering into the effulgence of Krishna.
咁佢講呢一點咧，就係提醒嗰啲人咧，如果佢係對 Krishna 有冒犯嘅話咧，佢哋最終咧只能夠係進入 Krishna 嗰個梵光嗰度。
But the point he wants to make is that Navadvip is different from Vraja. They're the same, but they're also different.
咁佢另外一點咧就係話Navadvip 雖然係同 Vrindavan 係Vraja 係一樣，但係亦都有唔同嘅地方嘅。
And the difference is that in Vraja one may make some improper activity and one may enter into the Brahmajyoti, but in Navadvip you make some aparad offense, you receive Krishna prema. Yeah.
咁佢繼續講咧就係話，如果你喺 Vraja 犯咗一啲冒犯咧，咁你就最多就只能夠進入梵光嘅。但係如果你喺 Navadvip 有冒犯嘅話咧，你係可以得到 prema 喎。
Yeah, so, here it is. Those who offend Krishna are liberated by merging into the Lord's effulgence.
咁嗱，呢個講咧就係話，嗰啲喺 Vraja 如果係冒犯咗 Krishna 嘅話咧，佢就可以只可以進入呢個梵光。
Whereas in Navadvip, the offenders receive the treasure of love of God.
咁而喺 Navadvip 你冒犯咗咧，你就可以得到神嘅愛喎。
So it's this is a good reason to go to Navadvip.
咁所以呢度就我哋有一個好好嘅理由咧，我哋要去 Navadvip。
Yeah. There are different ways to engage in what's called Dham Seva, or service to the holy Dham.
得。咁我哋喺聖地咧係有好多方法可以服務嘅。
Of course, just going to the holy Dham and doing service in the holy Dham, that is service.
咁當然啦，我哋去聖地啦，然後喺聖地服務啦，咁呢個就係服務咯。
But also to have a desire to go to the holy Dham, that is also a form of Dham Seva.
咁但係如果我哋只係有想去聖地嘅慾望咧，呢個咧已經係為聖地做咗服務㗎咯喎。
So that's also
咁呢樣嘢都好好嘅喎。
There's hope.
已經有希望㗎咯。
And also to remember the holy Dham, that is a form of Dham Seva also.
咁如果只需要憶記聖地咧，亦都係服務聖地嘅一個服務嚟嘅。
Yeah. Sri Navadvitam ki jai.
Jai.
So the question I think you were raising was how to find peace in Mayapur when now it's become so populated.
咁你俾我嘅題目想我講嘅咧，就係應該話我哋點樣喺而家呢個咁多人嘅聖地咧，係揾到平靜。
When I first went to Mayapur was in 1978, ancient history.
咁講啲古老歷史啦，我係第一次去聖地咧，就係1978年。
Previous yuga.
就係上一個年代㗎啦。
And there was practically nothing but flat open rice fields.
嗰陣時乜都冇嘅，只係有一啲好丟棄咗嘅米稻田啊。
What's a rice field?
稻田。
稻
田。
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 稻田。
稻
田。
田 yeah, 田 is the field.
So now it's very different. Now it's so much construction everywhere.
咁而家當然好唔同啦，周圍都喺度起緊好多建築物嘅。
And so many people.
而且咧，亦都係好多人嘅。
Every day, so many people.
每日都有好多人嚟呢度。
I was there for Gaur Purnima, and yeah.
我今年嘅 Gaur Purnima 咧，我就去咗馬來普。
Here you have Christmas Eve here in Chimsatsui. It's quite many people.
咁我哋香港咧喺聖誕前夕咧就尖沙咀就好多人啦。
I think in Mayapur on Gaur Purnima maybe 2 times as many people.
咁如果你比較咧Gaur Purnima嘅Mayapur咧，就係應該雙倍咁多人啊。
Yeah, so it's a good question how to find peace in Mayapur this time.
咁呢個題目出得好好啦，點樣可以喺Mayapur咧揾到我哋嘅平靜？
Maybe it's not the place to go for peace.
咁或者咧去Mayapur咧唔係一笪好嘅地方咧去尋找平靜啊。
My solution is we have built one place in a small, like a village called Gora Village, which is a little distant from where all the crowds are.
咁喺Mayapur咧，你揾到一笪地方咧叫Gora Village， 即係 Gora 嘅村莊啊。咁咧就係比較遠離一啲好多人群嘅地方嘅。
So another solution could be, but I can't say for sure, is to go in the hot season and in the rainy season.
咁另外我就建議一個或者未必係好好嘅解決方法咧，就係你喺好熱嘅時候去，落雨嘅季節去。
I haven't ever been there myself at that time, so I can't really say.
我其實都冇喺呢啲時候去過Mayapur嘅，所以我都唔可以好肯定咁樣講。
I've been told that the rainy season in Mayapur is ideal time for reading and studying.
咁有人話俾我聽咧，係呢啲雨季嘅時候咧，其實去Mayapur咧係最適宜讀書嘅。
Because you really don't want to do anything else.
因為嗰陣時咧，你其實乜嘢都唔想做啊。
Yeah. Anyway, so certain places can be peaceful. In Srila Prabhupada's Samadhi, the Pushpa Samadhi, in the early morning, it is very nice, very quiet and peaceful. Nice place to chant japa.
咁喺聖巴巴嗰個花叢嗰度咧，係比較平靜啲嘅。 咁朝頭早喺嗰度念誦咧都好好嘅。
Yeah. In general, early mornings can be very nice.
咁一般嚟講咧，清晨咧係比較平靜嘅。
The most busy time is evening.
最繁忙嘅時候咧，應該係黃昏嘅時候。
Now the area near the temple has become like a little bit like Hong Kong, lights everywhere, and shops everywhere, and shopping.
咁而家嘅馬來蒲到黃昏嘅時候咧，就周圍咧都係好多店鋪開啊，亦都好多霓虹燈啊，就好似香港咁樣啊。
Yeah, restaurants,
餐廳啊咁啊，
pizza,
又
and
有 pizza 啊，不同種類嘅餐廳。
but at least there's no alcohol and there's no meat.
但係最少咧係你唔會見到肉咯，亦都唔會有酒咯，唔會有酒賣嘅。
So it's even the crowd. It's a nice atmosphere. It's yeah, it's kind of sattvic in a way.
咁就算係咁多人群咧，都係可以嘅，佢哋都屬於善良形態嘅。
That's what I can say about
咁
peace in Mayapur.
我可以講到有關去邊度揾到平靜啊，喺馬來蒲咧就係咁上下啦。
Any of you want to share something your experience in Mayapur?
或者你可以分享一下你喺馬來蒲嘅經歷俾我哋聽。
I can. No, listen. Okay, I went last year for the first time in October, and I was fortunate enough to stay for 28 days. And yes, they were giving the numbers in the morning. We have 60,000 visitors. We have 65,000 visitors. But I didn't find it. I didn't feel stressful or disturbed. I was actually. I felt very spacious. So and also I think I was honored enough to have 2 savers. So that kept me also away, like not all the time in the temple. A few times I was like, in private, private,
Space.
not office, but space. So I went in Kartik. And so I really, everyone here was saying, don't go, it's really busy, it's your first time. But I didn't even know I was going for Kartik, so I already arranged. But yeah, I felt very peaceful. I felt very spacious in the temple. I was not at all, switched.
Good.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
What a
OK，
translate.
咁我簡略咁樣重複一下。咁我好彩咧，我就舊年8月、9月、9月、10月就去咗馬來蒲28日啊。咁就喺嗰度咧，我就有機會做下服務啦。咁所以都有一啲嘅私人嘅時間嘅。咁另外咧，我又唔覺得咁多人咧係好擠迫咯，反而我都覺得係即係好多空間啊，好多空間走動嘅，係啦，我都唔會覺得話好多人群嘅壓力啊咁樣嘅。
Conti Manaji?
即係我覺得我今次亦都比較大啲嘅感受到就係話，我哋去聖地咧唔係去旅遊咯。
So the most deep impression I get from this experience is we went to Holy Dham not for tourism.
我哋要跟隨咧資深奉獻者啦、純粹嘅奉獻者咧嚟到去探訪呢個聖地嘅。
So we visit Holy Dham with senior devotees and pure devotees.
係啦，咁跟隨 Maharaj。我參加 Maharaj 嗰個 retreat 啦，咁即係佢係帶領到我哋可以深入一啲咧，去了解個聖地咯。
So this time I went with Maharaj, and Maharaj can guide us into a deeper understanding of the Dham, the holy Dham.
所以話去聖地咧，我哋係要去即係追隨咧，即係資深奉獻者、信仰奉獻者嘅腳步咧，嚟到去探訪聖地，用呢種咁嘅方式咯。
So we should bear in mind that we follow the footsteps of the senior devotees, pure devotees, and we should have this kind of mood to when we go to visit the holy Dham.
咁我哋先至會有喺靈性上係收益啦。
So only through this mentality we can be benefit from the pilgrimage.
Yeah, that's
同埋咧，雖然廟嗰度有好多嘅人，但係因為佢哋嘅表現都係有虔誠嘅人嚟嘅，咁所以嗰個氛圍咧雖然話好擠迫，但係都係好開心啦，因為同一啲虔誠嘅人一齊咯喺廟堂上面。
So although there are really many people, but the people are all very pious. So the atmosphere is give us a very joyful atmosphere.
Yeah, nice, thank you. Yes, this is all a good point. If we go to the holy Dham in a spirit of looking for enjoyment, then there can be trouble.
咁馬拉茲提出一點好好嘅，就係如果我哋去聖地，我哋係心懷住一個享樂嘅心水咧，就有問題㗎啦。
But if we go in a spirit of doing service, then everything can be very nice.
但係如果我哋懷住一個去服務嘅心態咧，咁一切咧都會好美好嘅。
Yeah. Good. Anyone else?
十分好。
Anything about Mayapur?
仲有冇其他可以分享有關馬來普？
How do we get visas for those who can't get visas?
Call Modi.
Call Modi. Yeah. Have a talk with him.
可以同 Modi 係嘛？傾下偈。嚇？目的嚇 Modi 傾下個目的係咩？
俾 visa 啊？
哦，係啦。咁我哋而家簽證嗰度係比較麻煩噶嘛，咁所以馬拉斯就建議我哋同 Modi 即係莫迪係啦，去交流一下，希望佢通融啲。
So, shall we read some Prabhupada Lilamrita?
咁我哋而家讀一啲有關聖巴巴嘅逍遙甘露。
Okay. Is there a mark? I don't know. There's 2 markers I see here. There's 1 marker on page 228, 229, a resident of Vrindavan.
咁喺
And
Vrindavan 嘅一個
there's another
居民
marker very near the beginning. Beginning of chapter 3, a very nice saintly person.
另外咧喺第3章，一位非常優秀嘅聖人咧，都有人 mark 低一啲嘅特別嘅。唔知我哋讀咗㗎，我哋讀到第20章㗎啦。哦，係㗎，呢啲我哋讀咗㗎啦。第3同埋聖地獻交同經文第9。我哋讀到呀。
So, which one?
We have read up to chapter 20.
Chapter 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
我哋Monday class 嘅小組咧係已經讀到永遠嗨起來。永遠嗨起來啊
Which year? 1966.
Oh, chapter 20. Okay. There's no marker here.
哦，
Okay, this gets a little complicated because the chapter numbering here is different from what you have.
really？
So I'm not quite sure what to
哦
do.
，Chapter 20 here is forever high.
Forever high.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds good.
And Chapter 3 you mentioned is a very excellent saint, is it? And then Chapter 9 is inhabitants of Vrindavan. Is it the same chapter title?
I think I'm just going to ask you to find the place for me because I really,
Oh,
I just don't know.
咩啊？而家想講邊度咧？
講翻20啦，我哋而家做緊
哦，OK，我呢度就20張啦，你揾20張嚟嘅。
英文房係啊，就呢個 say hi
係啊係啊，
真係
唔係佢唔係
我呢個真係 OK，就呢個啦，係。
OK。
Yeah, that's the thing. Oh, stay high.
咁英文版咧就係第9章啊 ，Stay High Forever。
Yeah.
中文版咧就係第20章。係啊係啊，我哋啱。
All right, so before this chapter, there's been some description of Srila Prabhupada in New York.
咁喺呢一章之前咧，即係中文嘅第19章咧，就係聖爸爸描述咗聖爸爸喺紐約嘅時候。
And there was, you could say this was the time when the seed that Prabhupada was planting was just beginning to sprout.
咁可以講呢個時候咧，聖爸爸所播嘅種子咧就啱啱先開始發芽嘅。
Before this, there were many reasons for one to be discouraged.
咁喺即係呢一個階段之前咧，其實聖爸爸遇到好多嘅挫折咧，係足以令人放棄嘅。
And even Srila Prabhupada sometimes would go to where the ships were leaving to find out about getting a ship to go back to India.
咁喺呢個情況之下咧，其實聖爸爸咧都類似啊，去船務公司咧去揾下有冇翻去印度嘅船期嘅。
But then slowly, some young people started becoming interested in what Swamiji was offering.
咁但係後來慢慢咧，有啲年青人咧開始咧對聖爸爸所嘅教導咧係產生興趣。
So this chapter, well, judging from the title, I guess it's about Prabhupada going to San Francisco.
咁睇個題目咧，應該係聖爸爸咧就將會翻去三藩市將會去三藩市。
Yeah. And it's going to tell his meeting with one famous, nowadays we would call him an influencer, kind of celebrity, Allen Ginsberg. He was a poet and kind of a leading figure of the alternative subculture of America at that time.
咁喺呢個時候咧，聖爸爸咧就遇上呢個當時咧係好有影響力嘅，即係一啲次文化嘅人物啊。咁佢係一個詩人嚟嘅，亦都係一個對音樂亦都精通嘅。
Okay, but we're still in New York.
但係佢哋仍然都仲喺紐約嘅而家。
We might need a fresh battery for this microphone.
Oh.
It's starting to crackle.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe I'll summarize a little bit. Srila Prabhupada is 70 years old at this time.
咁我概述一下先。咁而家嘅聖爸爸咧就係70歲。
And the author, Satsvarup Das Goswami, Srila Prabhupada's health seems to be quite good.
咁作者 Satsvarupa Goswami 咧，佢話聖爸爸而家咧嘅健康似乎幾好嘅。
And even Srila Prabhupada would sometimes joke by tapping 2 fingers on his belly.
咁有陣時雖然聖爸爸咧用2隻手指咧去拍打下佢個肚腩。
And he would say that the resonance of the sound was affirmation that he's in good health.
咁佢話當我拍打個肚腩嗰啲回聲啊，即係顯示我嘅狀況幾好，我身體狀態幾好。
So he was joking.
咁呢個係佢開玩笑嘅動作。
And Satsvarup says, in many ways he was not at all like an old man.
咁 Satsvarupa Goswami 佢話咧，其實喺各方面睇咧，聖爸爸都未係一個老人家嚟嘅。
And his new followers completely accepted his active youthfulness as a part of the wonder of Swamiji.
咁佢嘅追隨者咧就說服咗世界上最難對付嘅人。
Just as where was it? Just as they had come to accept the wonder of the chanting and the wonder of Krishna.
佢哋咧漸漸咧就接受咗咧呢個念誦嘅迷嘅力量啊。
In another book by Shyamasundar Prabhu, who had a lot of association with Srila Prabhupada a little bit later.
咁另外一位門徒咧 Shyamasundara 咧就
Shyamasundara
係 Shyamasundara， 咁佢就遲啲又有一啲對聖爸爸嘅描述。
He would always emphasize in his book, which has 3 volumes, that being with Srila Prabhupada was always a wonder and an adventure.
咁佢喺佢呢個有3冊嘅呢本書裏邊咧，佢描述聖爸爸咧就話聖爸爸咧成日都係咧係充滿咧係奇異嘅思想，同埋咧係好中意冒險嘅。
It seemed like Srila Prabhupada could do anything.
似乎咧聖爸爸咧係乜嘢都可以做得到嘅。
And no one dared to advise him to slow down.
冇人咧係有膽量咧去勸服聖爸爸咧係慢落嚟。
They were just busy trying to keep pace with him. He was moving fast and they were running after.
咁佢啲門徒咧，只係咧係不斷咁咧嘗試去追趕聖爸爸嘅步伐啊！聖爸爸咧係好快嘅啲步伐，佢做行事方式，佢哋啲門徒咧就只係不斷咁樣去追趕住佢。
So now he has this place, 26 Second Avenue in New York, and he has some followers.
咁而家咧，聖爸爸咧就喺紐約啦，喺呢個26大街啦，有一個第二大街，咁咧就有一個鋪位啦。
And it's been officially registered, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness.
咁而家咧已經正式咧係註冊咗呢個國際 Krishna 知覺協會。
So 26 Second Avenue, this space is about the same size, maybe a bit narrower as this temple room.
咁呢個第二大街26號呢個鋪位咧，個面積咧大約咧就係同我哋而家呢個廟宇差唔多，細少少。
Minus the altar room.
即係除去呢個神壇嗰個位置。
And minus all the mirrors.
亦都係除去所有啲鏡嗰個位置。
So it feels smaller.
咁係比較細一啲嘅。
And Prabhupada said, we will start the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. And devotees are... International Society?
咁喺呢個細小嘅鋪位裏邊咧，聖爸爸咧就好激昂咁咧就話：我哋而家成立呢個國際 Krishna 知覺協會。咁嗰啲門徒咧就哇見到嗰個地方咁細，但係嗰個名稱咧就咁宏大。
So Prabhupada had been hoping to get help from his godbrothers in India. He was writing so many letters. He was saying, come on, send me one brahmachari, send me someone.
咁其實嗰陣時間咧，聖爸爸不斷咁咧係寫信翻去印度咧，係徵求佢嘅神兄弟咧係幫佢嘅，叫佢哋派一啲嘅精手生啊嚟幫佢手嘅。
Nothing. They never, either they didn't respond or they didn't send anyone. There was no help coming.
但係所有呢啲嘅請求都石沉大海啦，佢哋任何嘅幫忙咧都冇提供到。
And he was also trying to get some big wealthy Indians to give big donations so that he could purchase some property.
佢亦都咧係嘗試去請求一啲有錢嘅印度人啊，當地去即係捐款，捐一啲大啲嘅款項咧，去俾佢建廟宇啊。
And that was not working out.
但係呢個方法亦都行唔通。
It was anyway not possible to send money out of India. Legally, you couldn't do it.
OK， 咁原來佢係希望印度嗰啲有錢人啊，咁但係咧行唔通，因為咧佢哋唔可以喺印度運錢出海外啊。
So it was practically for a whole year that Prabhupada was struggling in New York, trying to get something happening, and nothing was really happening.
咁所以花咗整整1年有多咧，聖爸爸不斷喺度希望咧係揾幫助啦，希望有啲嘢可以發生啦，但係咧1年裏邊咧都冇咩嘢發生到。
But he kept trying. He didn't give up.
但係佢都係不斷嘗試嘅，佢都冇放棄到。
And we can say Krishna saw his sincere determination, so he started to reciprocate with him.
咁喺呢個時候咧 ，Krishna 咧就睇到佢好真誠嘅決心啊，於是咧就開始咧俾一啲回應佢。
Prabhupada said, now that devotees were coming, said Krishna sent me men and money.
咁聖爸爸咧就話啦，而家咧 Krishna 咧就開始派發一啲男孩子同埋金錢俾我。
And he said these were happy days.
咁呢啲日子咧就真係好開心咯佢。
Satsurumar says, yes, they were happy days, but they were not the days, the kind of happiness of an ordinary old man in his sunset years, fading away.
咁 Sasvarupa 話咧，佢話係啊係快樂，但係佢嗰種快樂咧就唔係一般老人家咧喺佢即係晚年咧係所享受嗰種快樂。
No, this was a new time. This was a time when future hopes expand without limit.
咁呢種快樂咧，而係話瞻望未來咧嗰種發展咧係無窮無盡嘅發展嗰一種嘅快樂。
He said he was like a young giant just beginning to grow.
咁佢寫咧就話聖爸爸咧就好似一個年青嘅巨人一樣咧，係而家啱啱開始咧係新成長。
What's the word for giant?
巨人啊。
Goyan. Yeah. Young giant?
年青嘅巨人。
年青
巨人。
巨人。Okay. Shishigor Nitai Ki Jai. Okay. So after he had given his first initiation, actually Srila Prabhupada's first disciple was in India before he went to America.
咁佢而家喺美國咧就開始俾出第一次嘅啟迪，咁但係其實咧聖爸爸第一個門徒咧係喺印度嘅，佢啟迪第一個門徒係喺印度。
His first disciple was named Acharya Prabhakar.
咁佢第一個門徒咧就係 Acharya Prabhakar.
And I recently met Acharya Prabhakar's grandson.
我最近咧係見過Acharya Prabhakar 嘅孫啊。
Grandson?
孫 grandson 男孫。
And his grandson has become a quite well-known performer of rituals of yagyas, even for big government people. He does yagyas.
咁佢呢個孫咧就變得好出名咧，係專門同一啲甚至政府官員嗰啲機構咧做一啲大型嘅祭祀嘅儀式。
Anyway, in New York, he initiated his first disciples, and he also had two of his disciples married, or was it more than two? So there was a wedding which Prabhupada was the priest for.
第一次啟迪咧就大約係2個人啦，唔係好記得清楚。而喺呢次第一次啟迪之中咧，亦都係同2個奉獻者咧係成婚嘅。
And so he was energized. He wanted now to spread his mission.
咁佢而家咧就充滿活力啊！佢咧就想咧係即係發展佢呢個嘅傳教嘅使命啊。
And one sort of English expression sometimes he would use is to go in like a needle and come out like a plow.
咁有個英文嘅講法就係話咧，佢開始嘅時候咧就好似係喺口針個頭嗰度走入去，但係咧佢出嚟之後咧就好似成個泥扒咁大。
Yeah, so the point that Satsuru Maharaj is making is he's not satisfied to just have this little space in New York City. He wants to expand.
咁 Sasvarupa 佢嘅意思咧就係話，聖爸爸咧係對於只係即係規範喺一個咁細嘅店鋪嘅即係廟宇咧係唔滿足嘅，佢係希望繼續發展出去嘅。
So one of the written purposes of ISKCON included the phrase to achieve real unity and peace in the world.
咁ISKCON 嘅其中一個宣言咧就係話佢要即係將整個世界咧係統一起上嚟，係讓佢哋得到平靜嘅 peace
in the world.
係啦，一樣整個世界咧都得到和平。
Also peace among the members of ISKCON.
亦都係喺 ISKCON 所有嘅成員咧都係應該係和平共處嘅。
And peace for humanity at large, all of humanity.
亦都普世咧人類咧都得到和平。
So these are quite big aspirations.
咁呢個係一個好宏大嘅願景嚟嘅。
Yeah. So one day, Srila Prabhupada got the devotees together and took them out of 26 2nd Avenue, down the street, and they went to a nearby park called Washington Square Park.
咁有一日咧，聖爸爸咧就將佢嘅門徒啦，同埋所有嘅隨從咧，就帶嚟咗呢個第2街26號嘅。咁咧一路穿過人群咧，就去到一個公園，就係叫做華盛頓廣場。
So then we have a memory from Ravindra Swarup Prabhu.
咁我哋Swarupa Prabhu咧就係有一啲描述。
He says he, Srila Prabhupada, never made a secret of what he was doing.
咁佢話聖爸爸其實從來都冇遮瞞啊，或者隱瞞佢想做嘅嘢嘅。
He used to say, I want everybody to know what we are doing.
佢話我希望所有嘅人咧都知道我哋喺度做緊乜嘢。
Then one day, and this was a day of special celebration in America called D-Day, he said, we're going to chant in Washington Square Park. Everyone was scared.
咁於是咧佢就揀咗咧美國稱為 D-Day 係咪獨立日啦？係啦，獨立日咧，佢話我哋咧今日咧就去呢個華盛頓廣場咧，我哋去唱頌，咁每個人咧都好驚喎，好震驚啊！
You just don't go into a park and chant.
咁佢哋同聖爸爸講：你唔好去公園去念頌啊！
It seems like a weird thing to do.
你咁樣做咧好怪異嘅。
But Srila Prabhupada assured us, saying, you won't be afraid when you start chanting. Krishna will help you.
咁聖爸爸講啊，佢話你唔使驚喎，佢就喺度保證俾佢哋聽啊。當你一開始唱頌嘅時候咧 ，Krishna 咧就會幫你噶啦。
And so we marched down to Washington Square Park, but we were very upset about it.
於是咧，佢哋一群人咧浩浩蕩蕩咧，咁就操兵咧操到去華盛頓廣場啦，呢個公園啦。但係佢哋當時咧其實係好唔開心嘅。
At least Ravindra Swarup says, I was upset about it, and I think others were also.
咁 Sasvarupa 佢自話，起碼我自己係咁感覺啦，即係我唔係好開心嘅啫。佢話我諗其他啲人都係咁樣諗法嘅。
At that time, none of the boys had shaved heads or dhoti robes.
咁喺嗰陣時咧，係其實未有啲男孩子咧係着即係剃頭啊，或者着住嗰啲 dhotis 嘅。
But Swamiji Prabhupada, he had his saffron robes, and he had these white sort of rubber shoes with that had a pointed tip.
咁而聖爸爸嘅穿着咧就係着住佢橙色即係骨紅色嘅長袍啦，然後咧就拖住一對嗰啲膠鞋啊，尖頭嘅膠鞋啊。
And he had his shaved head.
咁當然佢就係剃咗頭嘅。
And Prabhupada was marching forward, head high, and people were looking.
咁聖爸爸就帶頭啦，咁咧就即係昂起個頭啦，然後咧就係一路咁樣即係向前行啦。咁嗰啲途人咧就望住聖爸爸咧就目定口呆。
And this caused a stir. People were like, something's happening. What's going on?
咁其實當
Because there
時
was a whole group.
當時咧，佢哋喺街上面咧都引起一少少嘅騷動嘅，因為咧係有一大群人咧係咁樣喺街上面出現。
And New York it's a city where people tend to express themselves. No, if something strange is going on, somebody will call it, "Hey, who are you? What are you up to?"
咁喺美國咧，隨時咧都有新嘅事情發生嘅，或者你行下街，有啲人會問你：喂，你係邊個啊？咁樣嘅。
Satsuru Maharaj contrasts this situation with a year before when Srila Prabhupada had first come. He stayed not in New York, but in this town in Pennsylvania, Butler, Pennsylvania.
咁跟住 Srila Prabhupada 就寫翻1年前咧，聖爸爸初嚟嘅時候咧，佢係未曾去紐約嘅，佢就喺賓夕凡尼亞州嘅嗰陣時。
And he stayed with this family, the Agarwals.
咁佢就同阿格華呢個家人咧係一齊嘅。
And they thought, the hosts, they said, he, Swamiji, didn't want to make any waves. He wasn't looking for followers.
咁當時佢哋嘅感覺咧，對聖爸爸咧就係話，佢其實咧係唔想喺度興波作浪嘅，佢係唔係好想咧係結交。He didn't want to make big waves.
Yeah.
係啦，佢唔係好想搞即係興波作浪，搞大嘢。
But now he was making waves.
但係而家咧，佢就喺度咧係製造緊好多嘅波浪啊！
Walking down New York streets.
就係昂然闊手咁樣咧，喺紐約大街咧係
Going to Washington Square Park for the first time to chant the holy name in public in the USA.
係啦，就係即係好似操兵咁咧，係闖入呢個華盛頓公園咧，然後咧就係念誦啦，然後又有好多嘅媒體啊去追訪佢啊。
So they were going on a Sunday, and Sunday means there were a lot of people in the park.
咁佢哋嗰日去咧就係星期日嚟嘅，咁星期日嘅意思即係話公園係會有好多人啦。
I think it was probably similar to how it is now. I was there just a few months ago. I visited Washington Square Park.
咁我諗個情況就好似而家一樣啦。咁我早排都去過呢個華盛頓廣場嘅。
All kinds of people are there.
不同種類嘅人咧都係聚集咗喺呢個公園嗰度。
Actually, when I went, there were some Jewish guys. They had a little table, and these Jewish guys were approaching whoever came by, and they would ask them, "Are you Jewish?" And I said, "No, not really." They would, "Okay, anyway, here, take this card." But they were looking for Jewish people to, I don't know, make them more active Jews or something.
咁我嗰日去咧，
They were on a mission.
咁就見到有一檔嘢咧，有一啲猶太人咧就擺喺個檔口喺度。咁我埋去睇咧，佢就問我咧係咪猶太人啊？咁我就話唔係啦。咁佢於是咧就即係好似有啲失望啦。咁但係佢都俾咗個卡我咁樣。咁佢好似咧係想即係揾啲猶太人啊，然後咧就令到佢哋咧係組織起上嚟咧係可能係有啲活行動啊咁樣嘅。
So the scene is described, someone was playing guitar.
咁描述當日嘅情況咧，就係話有啲人就喺度彈吉他啦。
Boys and girls were sitting together and kissing.
咁男女咧就坐喺度咧，就互相擁抱啦、接吻啦。
Some were throwing frisbee.
有啲人就喺度拋嗰啲會飛嗰啲咁嘅玩具啦。
Some were playing drums or flutes.
有啲人就喺度打鼓啊，或者係吹笛啊。
Some were walking their dogs.
有啲人就帶狗啦。
It was a typical day, Sunday.
呢個就係一個標準嘅星期日嘅情景啦。
In this part of New York, which is called Greenwich Village, Manhattan, Greenwich Village.
咁呢個咧就係格林威治村啊，喺美國嘅公園嘅一個星期日嘅情景就係咁。
So Prabhupada went to one small area. There was some grass and grass lawn. There was a sign that said, "Keep off the grass," but everyone was ignoring it.
咁聖爸爸咧就揀咗一個細小嘅草坪，咁就上邊咧就寫住咧不可踐踏草坪嘅，咁但係聖爸就冇人理嘅呢啲標誌。
And he sat down, and his followers sat next to him, and he took out his kartals and started singing.
咁聖爸爸咧就坐低，咁佢啲門徒亦都跟住坐低啦。於是聖爸爸就攞起卡條就開始唱頌。
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
And the devotees responded, but at first they were very awkward.
咁聖爸爸首先就係唱呢個調㗎啦，咁嗰啲門徒就回應啦，但係最初咧佢哋就回應得好尷尬、好撇扭嘅。
But then they got little courage and they started singing more strongly.
跟住咧佢哋就有多啲嘅勇氣啦，於是咧就唱得大聲啲啦。
They were anticipating it's going to be some terrible situation, but no, it was nice.
佢哋初初咧就諗住可能會有啲即係有嘢會發生嘅，咁但係冇喎，一路唱落去，幾好啊！
One devotee named Jagannath remembers, he says it was a wonderful, marvelous thing.
咁有一個門徒 Jagannath， 佢就話嗰日嗰個情景咧就真係好好啊，好奇妙啊！
Because it opened me up very much.
因為咧佢令我咧係開放出嚟啊，好開放啊自己。
And I overcame my shyness.
讓我咧係克服咗我嘅怕醜啊。
So then a curious crowd starts to gather to watch.
咁跟住咧有一群嘅好奇嘅群眾咧，就喺周圍咧係環繞咗起嚟。
And then 2 policemen came.
跟住有2個警察嚟到。
Who's in charge here?
個警察就問邊個負責㗎呢度？
Everyone looked at Srila Prabhupada.
咁個個咧都望住聖爸爸。
Didn't you see the sign?
你睇唔睇到嗰個警示牌啊？
Prabhupada frowned and he looked at the sign.
咁聖爸爸咧就皺一皺眉頭啦，又望下嗰個告示啦。
And he got up and he walked to the uncomfortably warm pavement and sat down again.
咁佢就企起身啦，就行去一啲唔係咁舒服嘅地方啦，即係行人道咁樣啦，然後又坐低。
And Prabhupada continued to chant for half an hour.
咁跟住喺嗰度咧，佢就繼續再唱頌多半個鐘頭。
And the crowd, they stood and they listened.
咁嗰啲群眾咧就當時就企晒起身嘅，然後就望住聖巴巴，即係有啲好怪異嘅模樣。
Satsvarup Maharaj says, a guru in America had never gone onto the streets before and sung the names of God.
Satsvarupa 就寫啦，佢話以前咧從來冇一個 guru 咧係會喺街上邊咧咁樣唱頌嘅。
And then after the kirtan, he had Hayagriva read aloud from the preface to his Srimad Bhagavatam.
咁完咗呢個 kirtan 之後咧，Hayagriva 咧就喺博家雅談係嘛嚇，博家梵歌咧係讀咗嗰個prefix 係序言啊。
So he read with a loud voice, quote, disparity in the human society is due to the basic principle of a godless civilization.
咁佢好大聲讀咧，佢話人類嘅分隔啊，人類嘅唔和諧咧，就係基於呢個乜嘢 civilization 啊
Godless.
就係無神論嘅文化。
There is God, the Almighty One, from whom everything emanates.
係嗰度係有一個咧，係全能嘅神咧，係從呢個全能嘅神咧，所有嘢咧都係從佢流顯而嚟嘅。
By whom everything is maintained.
而亦都係透過呢個神咧，係維係住一切。
And in whom everything is merged to rest.
亦都係當一切靜止嘅時候咧，所有嘅事情咧都係融返入去神嗰度。
So like that, he goes on reading, and the crowd was silent. They were listening.
咁佢就一路都喺度咁樣係宣讀啦。嗰啲群眾咧，亦當時就係好靜默嘅。
And then the devotees with Srila Prabhupada, they got up and they walked back to 26 Second Avenue.
咁讀完之後咧，聖爸爸就企起身啦，於是帶領門徒咧就返去第二街26號嘅。
But now they were feeling elated, you know that word? They felt really excited. High, yes.
咁而家啲門徒咧同埋啲群眾咧係覺得咧係充滿好 high 嘅，情緒高漲。
And they felt victorious.
佢哋有勝利嘅感覺。
They had broken the American silence.
佢哋咧打破咗美國嘅沉默。
So this is a momentous moment, a significant moment in our history.
所以呢一刻咧喺我哋嘅歷史裏邊咧就係嗰個動力嘅開始。
Yeah, we might think of the very last verse of Bhagavad Gita.
咁我哋記一記博家梵歌最後嘅一個詩節。
Yatra Yogeshwaro Krishna Yatra Partha Dhanurdara Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvam Nitir Matir Mama. Wherever the Lord of Yoga, Krishna, and Arjuna, who is the holder of the bow, wherever they are together,
咁無論何時咧，Krishna 同埋 Arjuna 就係呢、個即係揸住呢個弓箭嘅人咧，係存在臨在嘅話咧，
Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvam Nitir Matir Mama. There are four results.
咁咧就有4個結果會出現嘅。
What are those four?
嗰4個結果係乜嘢？
Verse 78.
係87。
78。
嗯。
Shri
第78 18章78頁。那裏有一切完備之主 Krishna， 那裏有勇不可當嘅弓箭手 Arjuna， 唔使，那裏就一定有富裕、勝利、超凡力量和道德，這就是我的看法。
Yeah, so here it's mentioned the devotees felt elated and victorious. So Tatra Shri Vijaya. Vijaya means victory.
咁呢個 Vijaya 咧就係、勝利啊，所以而家嗰啲奉獻者咧就呢一個感覺啦，就係話有勝利嘅感覺啦。
So they were feeling there's Shri. Shri is can mean just opulence.
咁 Shri 呢度嘅意思咧，可以只係解富裕啦。
It's associated with Lakshmi.
咁亦都係同財富女神有關嘅。
In fact, the original name of Lakshmi is Shri.
咁其實 Lakshmi 嘅最原初嘅名咧係 Shri 嘅。
Huh? Shri.
Shri.
We have someone here named Shri. Huh? Yeah, auspicious. Oh yes, Jaya Shri.
亦都可以解係吉祥。
So, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuti. Bhuti can mean power.
咁 Bhuti 咧嘅意思咧就係講力量啦，可以解。
Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvam Niti. And Niti can mean morality.
Niti 咧可以解係道德。
So the point is, all of the devotees with Srila Prabhupada on this first little adventure, going to the park and singing, they came back feeling like, yes, we can do it.
咁所以呢一個經驗咧，呢、個冒險嘅歷程咧，聖爸爸帶啲門徒出去華盛頓廣場呢個唱頌咧，令到佢哋就係感覺呢、個勝利呢個嘅感覺。
And now we see this same activity, kirtan, going on in so many places around the world.
咁我哋而家亦都見到咧，我哋呢、個齊頌聖名運動咧，喺世界每一個角落咧，亦都係不斷咁樣進行緊。
Even in Hong Kong.
甚至咧喺香港。
What's that?
Harinam Riches is coming.
Harinam Ruchi, yeah. And we just had the Ruski devotees here.
我哋啱啱咧就有俄羅斯嘅舞蹈團嚟啦，然後再跟住咧就有 Harinam Ruchi 又嚟為我哋做呢個 Harinam。
Now Hong Kong is becoming the place to have Harinam.
而家香港咧成為一個咧係有 Harinam 嘅地方。
Yeah. So this is where it all started in Manhattan, Lower East Side of Manhattan, an area which is called Greenwich Village.
咁呢件事咧就發生喺咧係曼哈頓下區，就喺呢個格林威治村嘅地方嗰度。
That's where it all started.
咁就係我哋整個齊眾聖名運動開始嘅地方。
Anyone want to comment on any of this so far?
咁有冇人想俾一啲評論啊？
Any thoughts?
有冇分享啊？
Shall we read a little more?
我哋再讀多啲好嗎？
Okay. Allen Ginsberg lived nearby on East 10th Street.
咁呢位 Allen Ginsberg 咧就喺第10街第11號嘅。
Little geography. There's Manhattan is basically an island which runs north-south. It's a long, narrow island.
咁有少地理嘅常識啦。咁呢個曼克頓咧就係一個島嚟嘅，就係貫穿南北嘅島。
And it has streets running north-south, and it has streets running east-west.
咁佢嘅發展嘅設計咧就係有啲街咧就係南北咁樣走嘅，亦都有啲街道咧係東西咁樣走。
And except for some areas in the south end, most of them they're just by number. So First Avenue, Second Avenue, Third Avenue, like that.
咁佢哋街道嘅命名咧，基本上咧都係用數字嚟去命名嘅。
And then east-west are street, First Street, Second Street, Third Street.
咁街道咧就係叫 avenue，咁而東西走嘅咧就係叫做 street。
Okay, so Allen Ginsberg lived on East 10th Street.
咁Allen Ginsberg 咧就喺東第10街第11號。
And one day he received something in his mailbox, and it was an invitation.
咁有一日咧，佢就喺佢嘅郵箱度咧得到一封邀請嘅一啲單張啊。
And the invitation said, "Practice the transcendental sound vibration."
咁嗰張單張咧就寫住咧係練習呢個係超然嘅音震。
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This chanting will cleanse the dust from the mirror of the mind.
咁呢一個嘅曼陀咧就可以清除我哋心中積聚嘅灰塵。
And then it gives details, International Society for Krishna Consciousness, meetings at 7 a.m. daily, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 7 p.m. You are cordially invited to come and bring your friends.
咁跟住嘅細節咧就係話1、3、5就係上晝啊，下晝7點就可以有呢個參加呢個唱誦，然後有冇？咁亦都好歡迎咧，係帶你嘅朋友咧係一齊嚟。
Yeah, so Prabhupada had gotten the devotees to print this invitation, and he said, "Go out, distribute it in the neighborhood."
咁聖爸爸咧就揾咗啲奉獻者咧係印咗呢啲單張出嚟啦，然後就叫佢哋咧走出去咧派呢啲單張。
So Prabhupada also had a sense of how to advertise.
聖爸爸咧亦都好有呢啲廣告宣傳手法嘅意念嘅。
Yeah, the social media of the 1960s
就係1960年嘅社交媒體嘅手法。
was to make a leaflet and put it in people's mailbox.
就係咧整一啲單張咧，小嘅單張咧，然後入咗喺人哋嘅信箱嗰度。
So, one evening, Allen Ginsberg and his roommate, Peter Orlovsky, arrived at the storefront in a Volkswagen minibus.
咁有一晚咧，咁 Allen Ginsberg 咧就同埋佢嘅室友咧，就嚟到坐住呢個福士車咧，就嚟到呢個店鋪，聖爸爸呢個店鋪。
So the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra was not something new to Allen Ginsberg.
咁呢個我哋嘅Maha Mantra 咧，其實對 Allen Ginsberg 嚟講咧，唔係新鮮嘅。
He had been in India and he had gone to the Kumbh Mela.
咁佢其實去過印度嘅 Kumbh Mela 嘅。
And at the Kumbh Mela, he had heard the Maha Mantra and he was very fascinated by it.
咁佢喺 Kumbh Mela 咧就聽過呢個曼陀嘅，亦都係好被呢個曼陀咧係吸引嘅。
And he liked it and he used to chant sometimes.
咁佢都中意呢個曼陀嘅，佢自己有時咧都會念誦嘅。
So when he walked in 26 Second Avenue, devotees recognized him. He was kind of famous.
咁當佢一步入呢個第二街26號嘅店鋪嘅時候咧，奉獻者咧其實認出佢嘅，因為佢係好出名嘅。
He was a famous author, in particular, of one longer poem, English poem, called Howl.
咁佢其實咧就係一本好出名嘅詩歌集嘅，叫為 Howard 呢本詩歌集啊。
Howl. That's what
Howard.
That's what dogs do when there's a full moon. The dog. Ow.
咁呢個名 Howard 咧就係講啲狗咧喺月圓之夜咧對住個月亮咧喺度發出啲號，係啦，howl嘅我。
Yeah. So that's the title of this poem, which became rather famous. I read it once. It's a little strange.
咁呢本就係佢好出名嘅詩歌集啊 ，Howard。咁Maharaj 都睇過呢本書啊，覺得怪怪地。
But he was a kind of radical person. He advocated free sex, marijuana, and LSD.
咁佢係一個都幾極端分子嚟嘅。佢係鼓吹性濫交啦，然後又鼓吹 LSD 啦，即係吸毒啊咁嘅。
And he had claims of drug-induced visions of spirituality in everyday sights.
咁佢咧就係亦都鼓吹咧係吸毒咧嚟去增加佢哋嘅性嘅樂趣。
He had special political ideas.
亦都持有佢嘅一啲特別嘅政治嘅觀點。
He had made explorations of insanity.
佢亦都係發掘一啲非智慧嘅學說嘅。
And exploration of revolt.
亦都係去發掘一啲點樣去
revolution.
係去革命啊，點樣去革命啊？佢亦都係中意
Also
呢啲主題嘅。
nakedness.
亦都談及咧係赤裸嘅。
And he had made attempts to create a harmony of like-minded souls.
咁佢亦都係嘗試咧係去統一嗰啲開放嘅人嘅心思嘅。
And the point is that he was an influencer. So all of the people, many young people living in this part of New York were influenced by his ideas.
問題咧就係佢有影響力啊。咁住喺呢個 紐約呢一區嘅年青人咧，都唔多唔少咧係受佢影響嘅。
And even though by middle class standards he represented scandalous ideas,
雖然喺啲中產階層咧係覺得佢鼓吹嘅咧係一啲醜聞嘅行為嘅。
but he was, in his own way, he was quite famous.
咁不知怎地咧，總之咧佢就係有啲影響力嘅人嚟嘅，
And he
亦
was,
都出名嘅。
he was certainly more famous than anyone else who had ever been at 26 Second Avenue.
咁佢應該係咧係第2街26號嘅人之中咧，佢係最有名㗎啦。
So, do you want to hear what Allen Ginsberg remembers from this?
咁你想唔想聽下 Allen Ginsberg 嘅回憶啊？對聖爸爸？
He says, Bhaktivedanta seemed to have no friends in America.
佢話聖爸爸啦 Bhaktivedanta 咧，好似喺美國咧冇乜朋友嘅。
But was alone, totally alone,
佢係完全係孤獨嘅。
and gone somewhat like a lone hippie to the nearest refuge.
就好似一個係孤獨嘅嬉皮士咧，係找尋緊一啲嘅託庇之所嘅。
The place where it was cheap enough to rent.
因為美國咧呢個地方咧係好便宜咧，你可以好輕易租到一間地方住。
He goes on to say, there were a few people sitting cross-legged on the floor,
咁跟住講啦，佢話有啲人咧係瞓喺個或者坐喺地下上面咧，係翹住隻腳。
I think most of them were Lower East Side hippies.
咁我諗佢哋大部分咧都係下東街嘅嬉皮士嚟嘅。
Who had just wandered in off the street.
咁呢班人咧就係話遊蕩蕩咁樣嘅喺街度。
With beards.
咁咧係醉酒啦。
And a curiosity and inquisitiveness.
有啲咧就係出於好奇啦。
And a respect for spiritual presentation of some kind.
亦都有啲係對一啲靈性嘅知識咧係有興趣嘅。
Some of them were sitting there with glazed eyes.
有啲人咧就坐喺嗰度咧，其實佢隻眼咧都係冇乜光，即係冇乜神嘅。
But most of them were just like gentle folk.
咁但係大部分人咧都係一啲比較溫文嘅人嚟嘅。
Bearded, hip, and curious.
佢哋咧就係飲酒啦，有胡鬚，即係滿面胡鬚嘅啦嘅嬉皮士。
They were refugees from the middle class in the Lower East Side.
佢哋係下東區嘅中產嘅一啲嘅難民啊。
Looking exactly like the street sadhus in India.
就好似印度嘅街頭嗰啲嘅聖人一樣。
It was very similar, that phase in American underground history.
就好似喺美國地下，即係嗰啲咩 underground 地下嗰啲通道
Counterculture.
嘅導師一樣。
And I liked immediately the idea that Swami Bhaktivedanta had chosen the Lower East Side of New York for his practice.
咁我亦都感到好有興趣咧，亦都好喜歡咧Swami 咧係選擇咗呢個下東區呢個地方咧嚟去傳播佢嘅知識。
He'd gone to the lower depths.
佢咧係進入咗、深入咗咧呢個低下層嘅心臟嗰度。
He had gone to a place more like the side streets of Calcutta than any other place.
佢就正如好似咧係進入咗靠 Calcutta 嗰啲橫街窄巷嘅地方嘅文化一樣。
Yeah. So Hare Krishna. That's Allen Ginsberg.
咁呢個就係 Allen Ginsberg 嘅對聖爸爸嘅描述。
Who would become one of Prabhupada's? He would appreciate Prabhupada and encourage him.
咁其實佢係欣賞聖爸爸嘅，咁聖爸爸咧亦都係鼓勵佢。
He tried to, he suggested, respectfully, but he suggested Prabhupada change the name of his society to the International Society for God Consciousness.
咁佢曾經咧係想暗示咧係建議聖爸爸咧就係將我哋國際 Krishna 知覺協會咧係改咗做國際神知覺協會嘅。
And Prabhupada said no.
咁聖爸爸就拒絕咗啦。
Krishna is God.
佢話 Krishna 就係神咯。
And we want people to know that.
我哋就想人知道呢樣嘢。
Yeah. So these are the early days.
咁呢個就係早期嘅我哋 ISKCON 嘅發展嘅經過啦。
And we still have several of the devotees with us who were with Srila Prabhupada at this time.
咁我哋仍然有一啲咧，當時係追隨住聖爸爸嘅門徒咧，仲係存在嘅。
Satsvarup Maharaj himself is living in upstate New York, just north of New York City.
咁 Satsvarupa 咧就仍然喺紐約嘅北區。
And I've been told by one of his assistants recently that he keeps a very, very strict routine every day at the time, getting up at 2 a.m, chanting, keeps a very strict schedule.
咁我就佢啲門徒就話俾我聽咧 ，Satsvarupa 咧而家仍然咧都係遵守緊一啲好嚴格嘅規則㗎。佢好早起身啊，2點鐘就起身啦，然後念誦啊咁樣咯，即係佢啲規律咧亦都仍然係好似嚴格咁樣去進行。
So we can end there for today. Thank you.
我哋今日講到呢度。
We have another program to go to.
咁我哋跟住仲有節目嘅，我哋要出街。
Prabhupada ki jai, Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Hong Kong Yatra ki jai, Lower East Side Greenwich Village 26 2nd Avenue ki jai, Gaur Premanande.
Hari Bol. Krishna Chaitra Swami ki jai.